This is what the challenge is. I will be posting a short form content every single day, talking to the camera, improving my skills on different like editing. Documenting life is never about like you pretending to be somebody. Having a community of people who can click with you, who can connect with you. By the way, I have reached to the point in my journey where I've started enjoying it, doing the things that you have said you will do. This is exactly what boosts your self-esteem and self-confidence. And this is one of the major terms, that is personal branding. The sense of sincerity, the sense of accountability has gone so much higher that. Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Kushtopia. My name is Kushi and also known as Kushtopia. So today's video is going to be about the challenge which I took on 5th of December 2025, which is a challenge with a very huge commitment, and it's a commitment of 365 days. By the way, I have reached to the point in my journey where I've started enjoying it, where my videos are more of like I'm very excited to shoot, I'm very excited to script out everything, write everything down, all my ideas, like whatever I'm getting places, like even on my wall something is written about ideas which is getting bombarded ever since I've started this. Yes, there were days when I used to be so much frightened that oh my god, now I have to shoot a video, oh my god, I have to talk to the camera, how will I do it? And I'm just trying to always procrastinate on those topics because talking to the camera is not easy at all. And if a person has ever talked to the camera, they realize that it is so difficult to get into the state of flow when you're talking and be very of yourself when you're talking to the camera. The reason why I've started this documenting myself 365 days straight is because to have a proper discipline, to have consistency, because these are the two things most of us struggle with in our 20s. And I think I am in the peak of my youth where I have a lot of energy and I can channelize this energy into something good by improving my skills, talking to the camera, improving my skills on different like editing and a lot of things. There are a lot of skills which a person can work on 2025 2026. There are so many things in my life which I enjoy and I truly want to share to the people. This is also like one of the reason why I also want to do it, like sharing what I'm doing and sharing my views, and having a community of people who can click with you, who can connect with you. Documenting life is never about like you pretending to be somebody, because you can't be pretending, you can't be somebody else for 365 days. You just start exploring yourself, what you do on daily basis and what you are learning, what you're struggling with. And this is so important, and not just like internal growth, like it definitely boosts your communication skills and confidence, a lot of confidence, because talking to the camera, you have in the back of your mind that a thousand or I don't know what, a lot of people might be watching your videos, looking at how you speak, how you deliver things, and back of the mind it still happens. But you talking to the camera, it's a great skill, to be very honest. And also not having this fear of being judged by other people, it's also one of the core reason of why this is so relevant today, because judgment and fear of judgment is too prevalent these days. And this is one of the major reason why people do not document or do not do something that they really want to do, because they think that what will people say and blah blah blah. But in reality, nobody really has so much time in their life when they can just think or have time to think about you too much and judge you. Showing up 365 days where you are sharing the things which you're struggling with, it helps you connect with the people, kind of audiences that you are trying to attract. It helps you a lot in your journey as well, because then you just feel like you are not the only person who is feeling the same, but there are a lot of people who thinks the same, who feels relatable to you and can become a part of you. And this is one of the major terms, that is personal branding, because a person who has a personal branding has so much power, because it creates a strong base, people who are willing to support you, who trust you, because you have put yourself into the public for like straight 365 days, sharing everything which is happening in your life, and it creates a sense of trust, accountability to the audiences, and therefore your personal branding itself gets so much stronger. And I've already completed 18 days of journey, like 18 days out of 365 days has already been passed, and today is day 19. I am like daily shooting, I'm daily editing, I am like daily talking to the camera. I'm pretty sure that I'm not exhausted right now because I think it is so much fun. To be very, very honest, it might feel that I'm lying to you guys, but this is so true. I am enjoying it, to be very honest. Yeah, but there were like 2 3 days in this where I just felt like to read my book. Like let me just show you the book I'm reading right now. It is Never Lie by Frida McFadden, my first Frida McFadden book. So yeah, I'm so excited for it, and you can understand how much I have to resist myself to not read this book but to shoot this video. So you better like and subscribe, and just subscribe right now. The things which I've said I will do is I have to do, and the sense of sincerity, the sense of accountability has gone so much higher that why will I not enjoy this journey? Because this has given me so much. It has helped me to like myself even better, to love myself even better, to have a better image of myself. And this is what self confidence is. This is what self esteem is. Because when you see yourself doing actions, when you see yourself like doing the things that you have said you will do, this is exactly what boosts your self-esteem and self-confidence. And you know what, this is very funny. Like a lot of people have this question also, that if they also want to start this 365-day journey, then how will be they managing time, or how will be they stay accountable, or how they even get the ideas, which is the most important thing. But to be very honest, this kind of niche or this kind of criteria is so brilliant. It's so good that your life is just full of content. Just talk to the camera, be messy, be awkward, be slow, be whatever you want to do. I think people are no longer going forward towards cringe content, to go for like only comedy content. People are actually going for reflective content. People are actually going towards uh, authentic self introspective content, because then people feel actually connected in the real sense. Like people are thinking about self development, people are thinking that they want to get into shape, that they want to improve their mental health. Honest, if I talk about the stats, or if I talk about the type of growth which I've got ever since I've started this journey, then I would be very honest and say that I have not found or seen any significant growth in the numbers, like not in the terms of views or reach or like followers, subscribers. It's not a very massive growth. But to be very honest, stats does not shows the growth right now, but I think internally I'm seeing a lot of growth. I feel more confident. I feel like it's talking to the camera, it's like talking to a friend now. And I no longer feel or try to procrastinate, like, oh, I will do later. No, you can't do later, you have to post it every single. It somehow helps you in so many ways, that even if you're not getting the numbers right now, you know that you will going to get the numbers, because you are consistent, because you are putting out a good content, because you are trying to connect with the people, and that will definitely get manifested, which I also know for sure. If you really want to grow in life in terms of confidence, in terms of like communication skill, in terms of consistency, discipline, and a lot of things, procrastination, and if you want to deal and learn and grow in your life, then I think this is what actually is going to boost. Content creation is like, it's a part of thing which is visible to the public, but there is a type of documentation which is not digital, you know and to be very honest, I'm a kind of person who has been so much introspective, reflective throughout from her teenage. When I was like 14 or 15, I have started doing journaling. Single thing which changed everything for a person, it's what I'm gonna share, but it is going to be the part 2 of this documentation. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end.